Hello guys, this is a preview of the Yolobox Ultra. This is only a prototype right now. It's made like a Yolobox Pro. It's an 8-inch monitor, but instead of having just 3 inputs, it has 4 HDMI inputs, the usual HDMI port, Ethernet port, and then 2 USB-A port 3.0. These are made to do the same things that every Yolobox can do. Also made to receive 2 USB modems where you can store a SIM card. So you can have, for example, 2 simultaneous connection at once. This device is a 4K device, so you can stream 4K. You can also do ISO recording. This will be in 1080p P60 Max. Well, you need to basically, create the usual event as you do in the normal Yolobox Pro. But since this thing can handle multiple type of streaming, also the vertical streaming, if you go back in the main settings, so you create a live stream as usual, or maybe just pushing this usual button, you go to vertical stream. In this case, it goes on the in-stream kind of layout. So this becomes a vertical device all in all. The battery on this thing is much bigger than the Yolobox Pro, so the unit in itself it's kind of heavier. But they promise a much longer battery duration. You're going to have network bonding up to 5 connections at once. Obviously, there's a stronger CPU to handle all this power, and 4K streaming is advertised. 2 USB-C inputs, one for power, and the other one as a USB-C webcam. All the audio inputs are there. The thread for the tripod mount, SD card slot, SIM slot. So the rest is quite familiar. But this is a really interesting device that will be available soon. Let's say in a couple of months. We don't know the price yet. It wasn't confirmed. They're still thinking about it. So guys, this is a sneak peek of the Yolobox Ultra.